much deliberation since the story of our relationship broke in public, I wish to state that we have been trying to sort our problem amicably and in private for almost a year now, and it has been the most heartbreaking, challenging period. As much as there is two sides of the story, I will not discuss our private life in public, let alone speak ill of my partner or my in-laws, as this can only hurt the people we both love dearly. As Mbali has stated, our priority are to protect our children at this point. This is now a court matter. We ask for privacy. Yeah, guys, this was the response from Black Coffee, guys. Then, yes, guys, my fans were very, very angry and they were demanding the answers. And Abanye, they were saying that Black Coffee is blocking everyone who was asking about Umshado Wake Uguti, why be divorce, guys. He posted the other video wishing his fellow world famous DJ a happy birthday, and also posted this summer has been one of the best for me. And the fans were like, okay, he's continuing as if it's business as usual, guys. And I convinced myself that he was just referring to work related issues. The fans, guys, were demanding the answers. I think that is why he finally responded that they are protecting their kids and let the public understand and respect their privacy, guys. And also made it very clear on behind the story because they are protecting their kids. But I was like, okay, if you Black Coffee etiquette, there is always two sides of the story. What happened between the two, guys? Leave your comment below, guys, and share your thought. But guys, please respect their privacy. I love you so much, guys. Bye.